Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is a quick message to all my Muslim sisters out there who are either on Facebook, MySpace or have MSN. Basically, we just need to be aware that there's profiles out there or men posing as females, Muslims, in order to get us to go and chat to them and talk to them on the webcam so we can show them our abaya, our niqab, hijab, everything. It's a bit sick really, and I just wanted to warn everyone because last night it happened to me again. It's twice now this has happened, and they use the same ammo every time they talk to you. This time they added me on Facebook, then okay, we started talking. I just thought it was a normal sister, passing salams, and then he asked if I could add them to MSN. No problem, I did that. And then it started. Basically, about wearing gloves. Really obsessed about wearing gloves. I didn't go on the webcam to them to show them anything, because this has happened to me before, and I felt like nostalgia happening. So basically, I thought, right, okay, this is dodgy. So I just kept on, and I was like, send me a picture first, please. And the picture that he actually sent me is a picture I had already seen in a group which is on Facebook, which is warning sisters about these posers that are actually men. So the pictures were of another sister that I expect had been lured into doing this before, and he's just using the same pictures over and over again. So yeah, I just really wanted to warn everyone that if you start speaking to a new sister, alhamdulillah, but please be aware that this is going on. I'm going to give a link about the group on Facebook. If you want to join that, you can see the full information of what he actually says and what he gets you to do, if and there's pictures on there, and there's names of certain profiles on Facebook that we're trying to avoid or do not join. Or if any sisters that have these friends on their list, then please email them, invite them to the group. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Okay, bye.